I want that Firebird to come. I'm trying to blur this shit out.
We're not in Germany, guys. Come on. Look back.
No way.
Yo, don't lose me over there.
I'm not getting bit.
What the fuck? I got true video. Do it. Shout yourself out.
Shout myself out.
Shout yourself.
YouTube.com/MrRockoffJohnson1. Got the merch and we got the races and everything. You know, we Let's Talk More Race out here, and street racing forever. Watch lots of porn.
LTMR link down. Yeah.
All right.
That's an old man.
About to go ask him where home. Huh?
Just got home. It's like fucking 3:40 something in the morning.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the time sometimes you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.